Hey everyone, if you have been interested on using the Deepseek app and wondering on how to download it on your iPhone, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Deepseek app on the iPhone. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the App Store on your home screen, just like this. Then tap on it. Then tap onto the search bar right here. Then tap onto the search bar again and type Deepseek just like this and search for it. Now here you can find the Deepseek just right here. Now select it. Now to download it, simply tap onto the get button just right here, just like this. Now wait for a few seconds. Now double click to install just like this and verify yourself. Now wait for a few minutes and the app will be downloaded. And now you can see the app has been downloaded. Now tap on to open button and open the app and use it. And that's it. This is how you can download the Deepseek app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.